Tracking time without micromanaging your team can feel like a balancing act. But with the right approach, it's absolutely possible. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that. No more feeling like you're hovering over every move your team makes. First, let's break down why micromanaging is a problem. It not only slows down productivity, but it also impacts morale. So, how do we get the best of both worlds? The key is using the right tools and setting clear expectations. That's where software comes into play. But not just any software. You need one that gives you visibility, but without forcing you to be constantly in the loop. Now, the first thing you need to do is define clear objectives for your team. This is crucial because if everyone knows what they're aiming for, they don't need constant check-ins. Instead of tracking every single task, focus on outcomes. That way, you're managing the result, not the process. Next, implement a time tracking tool that your team can easily integrate into their daily workflow. The software we'll be using today helps streamline this process without interrupting your team's day-to-day operations. It allows your team to log their hours, track the progress of tasks, and even see where time is spent, without you needing to ask them for updates all the time. The key here is automation. Instead of asking for constant status updates, the right software will automatically track the time your team spends on specific projects or tasks. This allows you to identify potential roadblocks and assess productivity without having to be involved in every single step. It's all about giving your team autonomy while still having access to the information you need. But let's get to the real question. How do you ensure your team doesn't feel like they're being watched? One simple tip is to focus on transparency. Let your team know that you're tracking time to optimize workflows and identify areas for improvement, not to monitor every second of their day. With the right software, they'll feel trusted while giving you the insights you need. It's also important to set flexible guidelines for time tracking. Instead of demanding exact minute-by-minute logging, encourage your team to record time at logical intervals, such as after completing major tasks or at the end of their workday. This reduces the pressure and lets them stay focused on the work itself. Finally, use the data from the time tracking software to have meaningful, non-intrusive conversations with your team. Are there consistent bottlenecks in a particular area? Use the insights to improve processes rather than micromanage. This will help you build a more efficient team without hovering over every single move they make. Before we wrap up, I highly recommend you check out the exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. It's a perfect opportunity for you to test out time tracking without micromanaging your team. Remember, this trial is available exclusively to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway. To track time without micromanaging your team, focus on setting clear objectives, using automated tracking tools, and fostering transparency. Let the software do the heavy lifting, and let your team maintain the autonomy they need to thrive. And as always, don't forget to grab the free trial link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.